Oh, my friends, Adam Savage here in a different part of my cave. And I'm in a different part of my cave because, well, I recently threw a party here, and throwing the party necessitated cleaning the space. And honestly, I haven't seen the back wall of this display area in 3 years. So it was really nice to clean the space, and this is where I'm gonna do this show and tell. You don't know this, but I have been slowly gathering the parts and pieces for a Tusken Raider costume for about a year now. And I reached out to my friend Tom Spina at Regal Robot and said, dude, do you have reference for the Gaffi stick from the Tusken Raiders? And he was like, just hold on for a few months, and I think we got you. And that is what I'm about to show and tell. I have 2 Gaffi Sticks here from our friends at Regal Robot that they are releasing to the public as prop replicas, and I'm about to unbox them for the first time. So first up, we have got the New Hope Signature Edition, which comes with COA and an explanation for how to put it together. Let's see here. Let's see, I've got a, oh, right. There's a, that's a plaque. Oh, this is a base, excellent. We've got some other things here. Okay, I guess some stands. Yeah, the meat and potatoes of the Gaffi stick. And then there should be a business end. There is. Excellent. Okay, so let us crack into this guy gently. Now, the main body of the Gaffi stick is what's known as a Totokia club or pineapple club, and it's a Fijian war club. And apparently, Roger Christian found one at Bapti, which is one of the main prop houses in the UK, and added the welded steel back to it, which I'm about to crack into here. And impressively, this is also welded steel. Dude, am I even allowed to take this to a con? I'm unsure. It screws on this. This is amazing. So this is entirely resin. It's not a real Fijian war club. But besides that, it's gorgeous. They've done a painted wood texture on it. It looks wonderful. The welded steel end looks completely authentic. And frankly, this is a real weapon in the best way. Hold on, let's get this going so we can get that up. Right, there's a little plaque. And, ooh. Yeah, see? One goes there. You know, that is fantastic. Look at that. Dude, that is amazing. I hadn't... This is so gorgeous. I want to cover exactly what they did. So I believe, let me just double check my facts here. Yeah, this is scanned from one of the clubs at the archives. It might not screen match every single Sandperson Tusken Raider club that you see, but it is scanned from one of the ones from the film. Again, this is resin, but it is absolutely gorgeous, has a great weight to it. It's really robust, and the welded steel. I can't get over the idea of a prop replica that's actually welded steel. It kind of thrills me. Because, you know, in an apocalypse, I might just grab this as a survival weapon. I love the display. I love how simple it is. And a reminder that, like, the bill of materials just for a display can also be pretty expensive. So I'm really pleased that they've gone to the extra effort to make it displayable for one's prop room. And yeah, I think this is, well, this and the next thing are the impetus for me to finish my Tusken Raider costume. So this is the New Hope, sorry, just to be really crystal clear. This is a replica of New Hope Tusken Raider Club. It is the signature edition, and it is signed by Roger Christian, the prop master that first put this together. That is freaking awesome. And it is not the only Tusken Raider club that Regal Robot has on offer. So we're gonna move, yeah, there we go. We're gonna move this aside and we're gonna unbox the second one. And the story of the second one is just as cool. So, that's not my dog. The thing about this is not just an exact replica of the Gaffi Sticks seen in The Mandalorian. It is an exact replica because Tom Spina and his crew supplied the Gaffi Sticks for The Mandalorian. As a note, Regal Robot provided the Totokia castings for The Mandalorian, not the entire prop manufacturing. They supplied this part, not the other part here. It doesn't get much better than this when the actual maker of the prop for a thing is able to release a replica based on their molds and their construction. You know you are going to the exact source. So unlike the New Hope version, the spike end is resin, not welded steel, which I think makes this a little safer and more acceptable for taking to a con. It screws into the base just like the New Hope one, but instead it's the threads are on the, I don't think I cross-threaded that, but that is nice and tight. There we go. And it's a lot lighter. It feels more like a prop weapon, which is fine. Again, I'm really not sure that if I took the New Hope one to a con that I'd be allowed to actually hit the floor with it. Just not positive about that. This one is an artist proof, but this is a numbered edition. Like I said, the other New Hope one is a signature edition. Oh my God, look at how beautiful this is. 2 Gaffi Sticks on my table. I am absolutely thrilled. And it really was the Mandalorian show that got me interested in making a Tusken Raider costume. The Gaffi Sticks look substantively different. This one, based on the New Hope one and scanned from one at the archives, has rounder nubbins around it. This was often called a pineapple club for obvious reasons. Whereas the Mandalorian one has more angled and, faceted bumps around here. But again, honestly, if you came into someone's house and saw this, you would 100% just think that this is wood, and you'd lift it and still think that it was wood. The paint job on both of these is simply gorgeous. It's really lovely. It's subtle. They haven't done too much. As always, I feel like it needs a little more weathering, but that is fine. That's why I collect props, so that I can beat the crap out of them. And I am frequently saying this on the channel, that it has never been a better time to be a cosplayer or one-to-one scale prop collector. And this is exactly why. There are wonderful shops like Regal Robot out there making replicas that are just dreamily perfect. I'm just so happy with both of these. Oh man. Now that I've been fondling the all resin one, lifting the steel one, it's whoa! That's fantastic. I'm gonna have to make a new rack on the wall to support these, and I am gonna get around to finishing that Tusken Raider costume. It's time. It's time to machine some eyes and make that mask. That is what I have for you today. Thank you guys for joining me for this unboxing, and information about where you can get these is in the description. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Cheers. All right, let's go defend the cave.